Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you better be scared. We're being retarded. We're retarded. As you see, Jackie was choking. Let's see. Let me show you my room. So there's my room. We're outside. It's the computer. I'm gonna drink water. Here you go. So, Jackie. So, Jackie had to go get a drink of water. She was like choking, man. I want some. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. I'm a cokeaholic, man. You're gonna piss your pants because you'll be laughing a lot. I'm gonna be upside down. Hey, it's about Jackie. What?